Hey, how y'all doing today? Doing alright. I'm Trooper Milk off the Arkansas State Police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, your tags on the rental car show to be expired. Did they tell you anything about that or when it was going to be expired? No, sir. Where y'all head to? Head to take it to Jonesboro? Yes, sir. Where y'all coming from? Coming from Memphis, Tennessee. Coming from Memphis? Yes, sir. Gotcha. You live there? Yes, sir. Yeah? Okay, do me a favor, go ahead and step out for me, okay? Okay. Man, the reason why I'm stepping out, I can smell weed in the car. You got weed in the car?
I smoked before I even left Memphis.
Okay. Alright, so there's none in there?
No, sir.
Alright, because I'm going to search. Alright. So if you have something there, just tell me, man. I'll work with you.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything in the car?
No, sir. No, sir, there's nothing in the car. I smoked before I left Memphis. Yes, sir.
Okay. She smoked too, or?
No, sir.
And how long ago did you leave?
I left literally, I don't know what time it is right now, but I left around 2:30.
6:27?
I left around 2:30. It's been raining. I've been off and on stopping.
Okay. Alright, man. Tell you what, I'm going to pat you down, make sure you get no weapons or anything like that on you. Step back here for me, okay? Go ahead and face this way for me, okay? Just so I can keep an eye on her. Okay. Spread your feet for me, please. You anything on you want to stick me, poke me, cut me?
No, sir.
No?
Got nothing but my wallet and money.
You got wallet and money?
Yes, sir.
Try not to let this fly away.
Oh, yes, sir.
You might need that later, huh?
Yeah, I will.
Take a seat on this bumper here, come back, okay? Is there any weed in the car? None that you know of? Okay, I need you to be honest with me. If there's some weed in here, I'll work with you guys. Okay, because I smell it. Is there anything in this car? Honesty goes a long way with me, okay? You don't know if there's anything in here or not? Is there anything on you? No? Okay, step out for me. What? Okay, step out. Here, just step out as much as you can. What do you got right here in the front?
Pad.
That's your pad?
It's in my pad.
Are you lying to me?
No. I said I'm on my period.
Okay, I understand that. That ain't what a pad looks like. I know what a pad looks like. Alright, I have a fiance, she has pads. That's not what a pad looks like. Reach in there and pull that out. That's not a pad.
What's in my bag?
Is that weed? I smell weed.
No,
is that weed?
It's the bag.
Pull it out.
It's the bag.
It's got weed in it. I've been doing this for a long time. You can't tell me that's not weed. Did you shake any off in your shorts? Back here with me. So back here. Did you give her weed? Did you give her weed to put in her pants?
No, sir. I gave her a bag. It shouldn't have no weed in it.
It's got weed in it.
I didn't know. It shouldn't be nothing.
Man, I've been doing this for a long
I'm
time.
just letting you know, sir. It shouldn't be nothing but crumbs in there. I'm just letting you know. I smoked before we left.
Okay, y'all scared? There's no reason to be scared.
Yes, sir. I understand. I'm just letting you know that we smoked.
Is there anything else in the car?
No, sir.
Go inside. Heartbeat 26 will vehicle service.
C31, Hillsborough, 1042.
1042.